Hello traders, I'm Igor and in this video I'm going to share with you my alert wave charts. So let's start with dollar index, where we've got a possible wave 2 which is likely taking form of a double zigzag like WXY. However, I don't have any trades here because I've got a long trade on euro dollar where the price is likely going to form the third wave on this diagonal triangle in wave C. But at the same time, this wave E in this huge triangle could also be a triangle according to the alert wave rules. I mean, it could be like that, this upper side and its lower side, and it could be like A, B, C, D and E. So if we see a pullback from this upper side, it will be a sign that this wave E could end here. So if we see a pullback from here and then a bearish impulse, I'm going to sell to trade a possible downward impulse in this huge wave C. British pound has been falling down since Monday, and I've got 3 short trades here, and it's likely that this wave 5 of this huge wave 3 is going to be continued. So when it ends, I'm going to sell more on this coming correction, which is likely going to be something like we see here, something maybe like that. So when it ends, I'm going to sell more to trade this wave 5 of this wave 5. There is a possible zigzag on Australian dollar in this wave B, and it's likely that a bearish impulse in wave C is going to be continued. I've got 2 short trades here, and I'm going to close them when this impulse ends. And also I've got a possible triangle in wave 4 on Japanese yen, and there is a moving average line which is likely going to act as a resistance here, like it did many times here, I mean here, here and here. So it's likely that wave 5 is going to be started very soon. Wave 2 on Australian dollar versus New Zealand dollar turned out to be very short, and we've got a possible bearish impulse which could be the first wave. So it's likely to have an extension in the third wave, and this price movement could be this wave 1, so it's likely to have this correction, wave 2, and then bulls are likely going to deliver the third wave. And there is an amazing story on Turkish lira where I've got a possible bullish impulse in this wave C. I've got 5 long trades so far, and I'm going to buy even more to trade this upward impulse. We've got a possible triangle in wave 4 on pound yen, so bears is likely going to deliver wave 5 shortly. I've got 1 short trade here, and I'm going to sell more to trade this possible downward impulse. The current correction on gold turned out to be bigger and deeper, so it's likely that we have a triangle here and a possible bearish impulse in wave C here. I had 1 short trade and it was closed yesterday by stop loss, so I'm out of the market until this local correction ends. I'm still keeping my short trade on wheat because there is a possible wave 5 in this diagonal triangle. So I'm going to close my trade if we see a pullback from the lower side of this pattern. There is a possible ended zigzag on natural gas, so I'm going to buy soon when this local correction ends. And also I've got long trades on oil because there is an opportunity to have an extension in the third wave, so it's very likely that we're going to see new highs very soon. There is a possible triangle in wave X on Dow, and it's likely that wave 2 is going to be continued in a form of double zigzag like ABC, triangle and another ABC. So I've got 1 short trades here, and I'm going to close it somewhere in here. And then if a pullback from this moving average line happens, then we see a bullish impulse and local correction, then I'm going to buy to trade a possible third wave. So that's all for today's video. Have a good day and profitable trades. Take care. Bye bye.